Hi, good evening to everyone. Today class we can discuss about it is yesterday we had discussed that is the annotation details. Okay, annotation related thing we had discussed it, and today we can discuss that jacocco related thing we can discuss. What is that jacocco and these things? Okay, and also we had discussed yesterday marking. What is the marking? Okay, and also we had discussed that assertion methods as well, isn't it? And today we can discuss that jacocco. That is, what is first I need to what is what is code coverage, or what is code coverage? First thing I want to discuss here. Code coverage is the process of identifying code coverage is the process of identity uh, like uh, identifying how many lines. Okay, how many lines of code tested as part of unit testing. Okay, as part of unit testing, how many how many lines of code tested? Okay, that is called jacocco, code coverage. So that is called not jacocco. Jacocco is the framework. Okay, what is code coverage? Code coverage is nothing but this is the code is covering or coverage. Code cover is the process of identifying how many lines of code tested as part of unit testing. That is called code coverage. Okay, that is called code coverage. Like uh, like uh, like which lines covered in the which lines covered in the which lines covered in the unit testing. Okay, unit testing. And second one is, and which lines is not covered. Which lines is unit testing. Okay. And also in the industry standard, actually in the industry standard is 80% of how much? 80% of code coverage. You need to achieve 80% of code coverage. In the industry standard is 80% of code coverage. Okay. The industry standard, what is that? Industry standard 80% of code coverage. And we have several frameworks. We have framework. Okay, like example, like example, uh, first thing, jacocco. Okay, and next one is cobertuara. Okay, etc. I know these things. Okay, that is called covertuara. Yeah. Do you have any questions in this? In this, actually, what is code coverage? Code coverage is the process of identifying how many lines of code tested as part of the unit testing. which lines covered in the unit testing and which lines is not covered in the unit testing. These things we need to track by using the jacocco or our covertuara framework. And in the industry standard, how much percentage you need to achieve means it is 80% of code coverage you need to achieve. Okay, that is we have several frameworks, jacocco and cobertuara. Depending on your requirement, you can use the jacocco or cobertuara. That's it. That's enough. Okay, depending on your requirement, you can add. Okay, that's it today class. And also I need to practical as well. Okay, this is the initializer, right? This is the initializer, and go here. You can add Java full stack guru, whatever it is. I need to explain that in the practical, right? How we can test the unit testing related thing. We can. I need to practical. Let me check. Otherwise, I want to show that Git profile as well. Okay, Git profile as well. I will show JUnit testing, right? JUnit testing. What is that? Yes, Jacob and JUnit testing. Is that right? This is our power mark. Simply you can add. You can take this one. Okay, source code. Inside the source code, we have mains. Inside the mains, we have these many things, right? These many things we added: binding, config class, and constant entities and exception props and repositories, REST APIs and services and utility classes we had added. And go back inside that if you want testing, right? Also, you want to check the testing as well. Go inside test. There's the REST test or service test or the utility test. I want to check the test. The REST controller service. This is these many things they have added. We have this is a mock win at the rate mock also we implemented because this is I want to test on that dummy object. By using the dummy object, we can check that a real object as expecting as a real object or not. That's the reason we adding that mock win and auto void by using the mock MVC. Okay, and here at the rate test here JUnit testing I am performing these many things. Okay, I am performing these many things. JUnit testing, for example, here when REST service start unique email. This is the ABC email. Okay, and add then these many things. And adding and also this email checker and these many things I am getting and creating one object by using the return and then mark the HTTP servlet response and adding the this mark response here to here and then assert equals doing app constant dot or duplicate or not I'm doing here only. Okay, and another thing at the rate test is there. This at the rate test annotation I'm map whatever it is I created one map object. Inside the map object I'm adding these many things. One key value pair, the key is the 1 and India is the value and key is 2 and India is USA is the value. And when the reg service dot get countries dot then return I'm adding here to map object and mark HTTP servlet. These one things I am just you need to check there. Okay, you need to check yourself. That's it. This way you can add. This way you can test whether it is getting or not. If you wanna test this one, you can this one the code will be take that clone this repository and check yourself. Okay, check yourself in your local as expecting or not or getting or not. Okay, as expecting or getting or not you can check. Otherwise we have another thing power mark. Okay, with the JUnit with the jacocco application and JUnit with power mark as well. I created here this power mark inside that these many things. Okay, a search folder, open up and here testing user service test dot java is there. Okay, this is the user service test. By using these things as expected as expecting getting or not, we can check with your local. Whether it's power mark or not, we can check form what I'm adding here, JUnit dependency and power mark dependency for the mark object. Okay, these many two mark object I am added. Okay, two mark object, mark it out. Both I am added here. That's it. You can add yourself and you can check. I don't want to discuss those things because I created the repository. If you have any doubt on that regarding with this repository or JUnit related thing, okay. If you have any doubts on repository or JUnit related thing, you can check or you can comment me in the below. My team or myself, I will give reply back. Okay. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me grow and bring more awesome content for you. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update when I updated in YouTube channel. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thank you for your support. And I am right now signing off. Thank you. Bye bye.